Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, look at the nature guys, it's fantastic. Wow, today blue color mud. Look at here guys, it's look awesome color. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Wadida! In this video, some kind of dinosaur varieties. Tennis bat, big dinosaur face, golden sword, and then a big house, etc. Wow! I like this muddy blue color very much. It's look fantastic. Wow! Look at here guys. A pair of ayam. Yes, a rooster in blue color. Yes, it's so muddy dinosaur. It's look wow terrific dinosaur varieties. Wow! Wadida! Okay, guys, let's washing these ties. Come on! Come on, guys! Let's washing these toys. Wow! Look at the nature in this field. The first one. Yes, guys, this is tennis bat. Wow! Wow! It's in pink color tennis bat. The next one, yes, this is golden sword. Wow! Look at the color, guys. It's very shining. Sword, golden sword. The next one, yes. Wow! It's small dinosaur. Yes, this is the face of cow dinosaur. Wow! Yes, guys, this is puppet dinosaur. Hi, guys, how are you? Yes. The next one. Yes, look here, guys. It's a big green face T-Rex dinosaur with short teeth. This is also a puppet dinosaur. Please subscribe this channel, friends. Wow! The next one. This is also a tennis bat. Look at here. The next one. Yes, this is hammer. Thor hammer. Wow! The next one. Yes. Home, sweet home. Come on, guys. What's home? The next one. Yes, this is bicycle. Wow! The next one. Yes, this is homeboard. As this is ayam, cockroach, rooster. The next one. Yes, guys, is another rooster. Ayam. The next one. Yes, this is big T-Rex dinosaur. Wow! The next one. Yes, guys, this is Allosaurus. Look at here, guys. It's awesome. The next one. Yes, this is Diplodocus dinosaurus. Wow! Wow. The next one, a small home animal, donkey. The next one, yes, this is another dinosaur variety. The next one, the another blue dinosaur. The next one, this is also another red dinosaur. The next one, yes, this is also a running dinosaur. The next one, this is also a jumping dinosaur. Wow, the next one, this is also a dinosaur. Wow, the next one, pterodactyl flying dinosaur. Wow, this is a small coconut tree. That's it this video, guys. Please subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Bye bye, tata.